Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to calculate percent change in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. Open your Excel worksheet. For example, we have this data and we want to know how much changes happened between this cell and this cell. Now put a cursor on your selected cell and from the number group, click on percentage sign. Now you have to put a formula starting by equal sign, then open parenthesis, click on the first cell and put a slash, then click on another one. Then after close the parenthesis. Now put a minus sign and enter 1. Now press enter. As you can see, we have the changes result. That's it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.